Well, guys, I made it to New York and I am here for the workshop, and behind me is Macy's at Herald Square. It's a program that is an accelerator for businesses that have products for them to learn how to deal with a big box retailer. So what they do is they train you for 4 weeks, and then you come out to New York, you do the last week with them. And this year, being the 10-year anniversary of the workshop, you also get to pitch for a $100,000 grant. So I'm doing my damnedest to win that money. Stick with me. This is super exciting. You guys are along for the ride, and we're going to be coming to a Macy's near you. I was accepted into the workshop at Macy's. The workshop at Macy's is a program where they bring product-based businesses into an accelerator MBA type program with the opportunity to have your products in Macy's. And you pitch for $100,000. And so I'm going to be competing against about 25 other brands for this grant. So come along, join the ride. New York City is one of the most electric cities. I love this city so much. Every time I've come here, I've had the most amazing time, and I'm sure this week will be no different. I am really nervous and excited to pitch the product, pitch the opportunity to Macy's, learn a lot, because I've already been learning a ton, and make this as successful of a trip to New York as I possibly can. Okay, let's do this. Now, I can tell you, I cannot film or anything inside during the workshop. None of it can be filmed. So you guys are gonna get a recap of how the day went. Wish me luck, and I'll see you guys later on this evening. Bye. Day one, in person, done. Some of the presenters, they have checked out my company, checked out the business, and they're basically saying, you've got it. Like, you're doing the right things, you have the right channels, you got the right product, all of that. So that makes me feel a little bit better, a little bit more confident, because tomorrow is going to be the big pitch competition. So I'm gonna go back up to the Upper East Side, continue studying, memorize my pitch, and hopefully tomorrow we'll be celebrating. This is a big day. This is pitch day. This is where I am asking Macy's for $100,000. And I'm competing against 25, give or take, other brands. So this is a big deal. So please wish me luck. I think I got this. Class of 2022, here I am. Here's everybody in the class. This is amazing. Selena is also from Las Vegas. So we made it. Made it to New York, thank God. Thank God. And here's your product.
The bow is actually 2 sleeves. so you can cover your eyes or your ears rather than pulling the cover over your head.
Totally.
Then the two sleeves are for that, and then it's a silk or a satin pillowcase. This is amazing. I mean, we've learned so much that it would have taken us so much time and trial and error to learn what we've learned.
I feel like I just went through college again. I don't know about you.
It was like an accelerator MBA program.
It was an applied accelerator MBA program
for products.
Yeah,
and big retailers.
And I'm no longer going to run my business into the ground thanks to it. I'm gonna like blow it up big. This is great.
I'm Madia, co-founder and CEO of Black Paper Party.
The winner of the $100,000 grant and all the other goodies that you won. Woo! Winner, chicken dinner, as we say in Las Vegas.
Yes.
And we already agreed. She even backed it up. She's buying the first round.
I am. Yes.
So I only drink top shelf, just so you know.
Too.
Okay.
But I know you have expensive teas. Abingdon watches. Okay.
I'm gonna go into this last day. We're gonna learn a little bit more. I'm completely exhausted. And then I think my cousin is gonna meet me at Herald Square at noon. We're gonna grab some lunch, and I don't know, she's been wanting to show me New York since I haven't really had an opportunity to do that yet. And we'll have some fun tonight. Naomi! You on camera, Chica? Hi. Hi. Welcome to my world.
I love it.
This is the watch room. I mean, this whole program, it's like getting an MBA without having an MBA.
Yeah.
And I'm glad we're done, so I can get back to, you know, my real world.
Right.
But with
Everything you learned and hit the ground running when you get home.
Totally.
So this is Hudson Yards. There's a lot of big businesses that moved here. Google moved some of their offices here. Facebook's main offices are now here in Hudson Yards. So huge corporations moved into office space here. The Vessel is a new piece of architecture in New York City. It's the largest new landmark in New York.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
It's one of my favorite murals right now in New York City.
Oh, I'm so excited for you to show me the rest of this city. This is amazing. This is going to be amazing.
It is.
Cheers. So this just happened. Oh my gosh.
An absolute torrential downpour while we have brunch outside. Luckily, there's a covering. Otherwise, we would not still be this cute right
10
now.
minutes later, yeah, no, we're getting sprayed in the face right now. Look at this. This is insanity. Now it's not raining ungodly amounts of showering, whatever that was intense. But it's bright and sunny again now.
So I feel like we go back to our original plan and hop on the ferry.
Let's do it. Look, we found the Big Apple.
The Big Apple.
We're on the Brooklyn Bridge.
We're on the Brooklyn Bridge and we're walking across it. This is lovely.
I can't believe you've ever done this.
No, I had no idea that you could walk
It's
across
such
the
a
bridge.
quintessential New York City thing to do. So I'm glad we're doing it.
It's beautiful. Beautiful day for a walk on a bridge. just walked across Brooklyn Bridge, and it took a minute, but it was really beautiful. And now both of us are really kind of tired, and we figured pizza, ice cream, a beer, hang out, just like chill. Getting a whole pie. So here we go. Let's do this.
Ah, that looks amazing.
I'm so excited.
The biggest faux pas of eating pizza with a fork and knife right now.
Am I doing it right now?
Yes, you are.
So good. This is vegan?
Thank you.
Yeah, vegan. It doesn't look vegan, I know, but I'm
That's
sure
amazing. I've had an incredible week. I didn't get chosen for that $100,000 grant, so that was a bit disappointing, but it completely, I mean, I feel like I got $100,000 worth of information, education, networking, mentorship, friendship. I met all these new designers. I have now some of their products, and it's just been, I love New York. Click the subscribe if you like it. We do videos on adventures, on women doing amazing things. A lot of our crew members, we feature them, and then also watches. If you want to know anything about watches, we do a lot of tutorial videos and educational videos around watches. So by all means, join us on the next episode, and we are going to hit the subway, and I'm going to fly back home to Las Vegas.
Bagels first.
Bagels first. Let's roll.